Solving traveling salesperson problem using branch and bound method. This traveling salesperson problem already solved by the dynamic programming approach where the complexity is order of n square into 2 power n. The same problem even we can solve it by branch and bound technique. Here the least cost branch and bound technique as we are using. At the worst case, the complexity of this problem is order of n square into 2 power n. By choosing the good bounding function, will be enable this branch and bound algorithms to solve some problems in the less time. Let us see the procedure how we can solve it by branch and bound method. The step 1. Find out the reduced cost matrix from the given cost matrix. This can be obtained as follows. That is, we have to find out the row reduction sum and the column reduction sum. In the row reduction sum, what we have to do is, that is from the first row, try to find out the minimum element and subtract that minimum element from all the elements of that row, including that element. In the same fashion, take the second row and find out the minimum element from the second row and subtract that element from all the other elements of that row in the same way as we have to do for all the rows. Okay, after performing this row reduction, then we have to go for column reduction. That is, take the minimum element from the first column and subtract that element from the all the elements of that first column. Okay, that is in the similar way as we have to do for all the columns. Find out row-wise reduction sum. The sum of the elements which subtracted from rows. In the same way, column-wise reduction sum. The sum of the elements which subtracted from columns. Cumulative reduction. We have to add that row-wise reduction sum and column-wise reduction sum. Now we will see the step 2. For starting node, we will take cumulative reduction as lower bound and infinity is upper bound. If path ij is considered, this change all entries in the row I and column j of a to infinity. Set a of j comma 1 to infinity. Assume that starting vertex node is 1. Apply the row reduction and the column reduction except for rows and columns containing the infinity. That is, all entries of the row or column contains the infinity. Also find cumulative reduction small r. Calculate the value of CS, which is called ranking function, which is equals to C of r plus A of ij plus r, where C of r indicates the lower bound L of ith node in ij path. Now we have to repeat this step 2 until all nodes are visited. Let us see about all this, how this algorithm is working, okay, with an example. Let us see the algorithm with an example. The 5 cities are given and the distance between the cities are given in this matrix. Step 1. Find the minimum value from each row and calculate row sum. In the first row, 10 is the minimum. In the second row, 2 is the minimum. In the third row, 2. Fourth row, 3. Fifth row, 4. Row sum. That is, we are adding all this, which is equals to 21. Subtract the minimum value from each row and then find minimum value in each column. That is, we have to subtract this 10 from each row, which is equals to infinity, 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 10, 20, 10 minus 10, 0, and 11 minus 10, which is equals to 1. In the same way, R2 equals to 2, that is, subtract 2 from the second row elements. 15 minus 2 is 13, okay, like this 16 minus 2 is 14, okay, in the same fashion for all the rows as we have to do. Okay, we will get this matrix and from each column find the minimum element. In the first column 1 is a minimum, second column 0, third column 3, fourth column 0, fifth column is 0. Now column sum, we are adding all this, which is equals to 4. And after subtracting the minimum element from each column, then the final matrix, what here we are getting is this one. That is total reduction R equals to row sum plus column sum. 21 plus 4 which is equals to 25. This matrix we have to remember for further purpose. Assume starting vertex is 1. So find all matrices along with, that is 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 and 1 to 5. Now we will calculate the distance from 1 to 2. Now what we have to do here is first row and second column elements set it as infinity. And 2, 1 also put infinity in the given matrix. Now this is the matrix. Okay. Where we are calculated from that is R value. Now in this matrix, the first row and second column elements, okay, we are putting all this as infinity, and 2, 1, that is the 12 becomes infinity. Now in this matrix also calculate or find out the R2, R3, R4, R5 values. Row reduction sum is 0, and from each column also find the minimum value. C1, C3, C4, C5. The column reduction sum is 0. Now for 1 to 2, row reduction sum plus column reduction sum which is equals to 0. In the same way, calculate the distance from 1 to 3. First row and third column elements set it as infinity, and 3, 1 also put infinity in this given matrix. This is the first row and third column elements, and 3, 1 is infinity instead of 0. Now R2, R3, R4, R5 values are 0. Total reduction sum is 0. In the same way, the first column 11 is the minimum element. Subtract that 11 from all the other elements of that column. And C2, C4, C5 are zeros only. Column reduction sum is 11. After subtracting the minimum element from each column, the matrix is like this. And for 1 to 3, row reduction sum plus column reduction sum, that is the R value, is equals to 11. In the same fashion, calculate the distance from 1 to 4. So the first row and fourth column elements and 4, 1 also put as infinity. First row and fourth column elements and 4, 1 are infinities. And R2, R3, R4, R5 are zeros. Row reduction sum is 0. And C1, C2, C3, C5 are zeros. Column reduction sum is also 0. Therefore, for 1 to 4, row reduction sum plus column reduction sum R value equals to 0. In the same fashion, 1 to 5, the first row and the fifth column 5, 1 element are infinity. Now row reduction sum is 5, because in the second row 2 is the minimum element, and in the fourth row 3 is the minimum element. Subtract that minimum elements from their respective rows. Calculate the minimum element from all the columns. Here are zeros only. The column reduction sum is 0. Total reduction R value equals to 5. Now the first level is completed. So find the upper bound value. That is 1 to 2. At node 2, C cap of node 2 equals to reduce value plus distance plus R. That is 25 plus 10 plus 0, which is equals to 35. Here the distance 10, 17, 0, 1 are calculated from this matrix. And from home city 1 to 2, that is city 2, that is C cap of 2 equals to 35. C cap of 3 equals to 53. Here C cap of 4 equals to 25. C cap of node 5 equals to 31. Out of these 4 elements, 25 is the last. We are discarding this 2, 3 and 5 nodes. 4 is the optimal path from the first level. So the one move from home city to fourth city. So the remaining unvisited vertices are 2, 3, 5. That is chance to visit is 1 to 4 as we have to move. From 4 to, that is we can take direction to either 2 or 3 or 5. Calculate 1 to 4 to 2. That is first row and fourth column elements and fourth row and second column element, set it as infinity, and 2 1 also put infinity. From the matrix obtained at 1 2 4, that is this matrix. See here, first row and fourth column and fourth row, second column, all the elements, we set it as infinity, and 2 1 also. Previously it is a 12, now here it is an infinity. And we are going to find out that row reduction sum and column reduction sum. Here all are zeros, therefore finally the total reduction R equals to only 0. And calculate 1 2 4 to 3, that is first row and fourth column elements, fourth row and third column elements, set it as infinity, and 3 1 also put infinity. On the matrix that is obtained at 1 to 4, that is first row and fourth column elements and fourth row and third column elements, and 3 1. Previously it is 0, now it is infinity. Now here in the third row, the minimum element is 2. That is row reduction sum, here it is a 2. And subtract that 2 element from the all the elements of that row. Now we are getting this one. And in the same fashion, from all the columns also subtract the minimum elements. Here C1 equals to 11, C2 is 0 and C5 is 0. That is column reduction sum, here it is totally, that is 11 plus 0 plus 0, which is 11. Total reduction R equals to, that is row sum plus column sum, that is 2 plus 11, which is equals to 13. And in the same fashion, 1 to 4 to 5, that is first row and fourth column elements, fourth row and fifth column elements, set it as infinity, and 5 1, okay, put infinity. That is first row and fourth column elements and fourth row, right, fifth column elements. Now row reduction sum value equals to 11 here, whereas column reduction sum is 0. Total reduction R equals to 11 plus 0, which is equals to 11. Now 1 to 4, 4 to 2, that is C cap of the node 6 equals to 25 plus the distance 3, which is calculated from the previous this one, and R value equals to 0. Total it is 28 for 1 to 4 to 2, that is C cap of 6. 1 to 4 to 3, C cap of 7 equals to 50. 1 to 4 to 5, C cap of 8 equals to 36. Out of these three values, 28 is the minimum. We are discarding that C cap of 7 and C cap of 8. Now 7 is an optimal path from the second level. So the one move from home city to fourth city and then second city. So the remaining unvisited vertices are 3 and 5. That is chance to visit is, that is 1 to 4 to 2 as we moved. From 2 to, there is a chance to move either to 3 or 5. Now calculate 1 to 4 to 2 to 3. So here 1, 2, 4 rows and 2, 3, 4 columns. Set it as infinity, and 3, 1 also put infinity. From the matrix obtained at, so you must remember that 1 to 4 to 2, okay, that is on this one only, okay. Now here R3 equals to 2 and similarly C1 equals to 11. Now total reduction R equals to row sum plus column sum, which is equals to 13. Now we will calculate 1 to 4, 4 to 2, 2 to 5. So 1 to 4 rows and 2 4 5 column, set it as infinity, and 5 1 also put infinity. From the matrix that is obtained at 1 4 2, which is nothing but this one. Here the distance 2 to 3 is 11 and 2 to 5 is 0. Remember this one, we are going to use this further. And we did all these operations on this matrix. Finally, we will get the total reduction R equals to 0. And in this tree, as we may be observed that from home city 1 to, we are reaching to the city 4. from 4 to 2 and 2 to 5. Why 5 is, that is here we are calculated that C cap of 9 which is equals to 28 till now what we arrived plus 11 plus, that is this 11 is the distance, this is an R here in this one as we are calculated which is equals to 52. And similarly, C cap of 10 equals to 28 plus the distance plus R which is equals to 28. That is, we travelled from 1 to 4, 4 to 2, city 2, city 2 to city 5. The leftover city is nothing but 3. Once again we are going back to city 1 which is nothing but the travelling salesperson problem. For this travelling salesperson problem, the path is 1 to 4, 4 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 3, 3 to 1. The cost here it is. These are all the costs that are given in the actual problem, that is at beginning what we took the matrix. Okay, from that the distance is calculated. Finally the distance here it is 28.